Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I want to share with you why the Apostle Enterprise Lab is a great program for students who are seeking to become entrepreneurs.
My name is Adrian Beyonder, and I can't begin to put into words how important this program has been for me and how transformational it's been.
My name is Felipe, and I'm a current business marketing major here at Cal State Long Beach.
I'm a non-business major, journalism major, so to have the opportunity to be exposed to the resources and the education that the College of Business provides has been totally fundamental.
In my case, I am a business major, and I had the opportunity of meeting people from all over. Art majors, sociology majors, physiology majors, you name it. So it was great for me as I could get out of my everyday environment.
We learn about theory through class lectures and incubator sessions, which both cover a wide range of entrepreneurial topics. And we put all this knowledge into practice when we create our own business plans with our group.
You get to build your own business from scratch, which is a super beneficial thing for you if you're thinking on becoming an entrepreneur in the future.
The first class exposed me to a network of students, two of which I've now formed a startup with. And the tools and the resources, the skills, and the advising that we've gotten has helped us really start to pursue this thing that we believe will be truly revolutionary.
The Apostle Enterprise Lab definitely allows us to gain some entrepreneurial experience and develop skills that will help us become successful entrepreneurs.
I now am investing a lot of my time into and has given me a lot of motivation, broadened my horizons, so I can't recommend it enough.